Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to update the shipping options in bulk for Amazon using AdLister. First, please log into your AdLister account and go on to the products page. You will need to highlight the desired products for which you want to update the shipping options. Click on the Edit Product drop-down and select the Amazon shipping option, which is the 8th option in the drop-down. A new window will appear with the highlighted products titles. You will see a few drop-downs from where you can select the desired shipping options. On the right-hand side of the page, you can also specify the handling time. Once selected the desired option, you can save your settings. You will be redirected to the products page where you can highlight the products again, then click on the Platform Actions drop-down and post to Amazon. In here, you will need to click on Update SKU and click Post. This will start a job to send the updates back onto Amazon. I hope this video was informative in how to update shipping options for Amazon in bulk. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.